How do you think the way that integration works will affect the average day of your developer?
Right. AppFabric is a big deal. There are 2 AppFabrics in Azure and on Windows Server. So even if you're not ready for the cloud today, this is something you can use today. And there is a feature parity between them as well. So on the SharePoint side, if you're working in Azure or Office 365, you can use AppFabric for a service bus to connect disparate applications. You can use access control to link different kind of authentications together in a convenient manner. And also you can use hosting services or caching services, which are also available on the on-premises SharePoint. And that's really what my talk focuses on is the caching services part. It's a deep dive into the caching services part with SharePoint 2010. And the way it affects you is that, it gives you a very good alternative to session state, which is classically a problem in SharePoint or any complicated ASP.NET app. And it's certainly something that I would recommend that developers give a serious look to. AppFabric is most certainly going to change the way you write applications.
Excellent. So what would you say are the 2 key takeaways from your session?
I would say just go on Bing and search for Windows Server AppFabric download. And this is something you can download today. It is RTM. You can download it and use it today. So certainly get familiarized with it. And secondly, I wrote an article on this in a popular magazine. So search for the keywords session state in SharePoint 2010 with my name in front of that. And you'll find an article that I've written with sample source code and everything that shows you how to integrate AppFabric caching services into SharePoint 2010. I'd certainly give that a look.
Excellent. Any other resources you would recommend for our viewers?
I think other than caching, you should also check out access control services and the hosting services. Specifically on hosting services, you can take advantage of .NET 4.0 workflows in SharePoint 2010 today. And that is extremely, extremely compelling. You can't ignore that.